How to change screen resolution in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust your display size and clarity. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. After that, click on Display Settings. From there, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. At this point, click on the drop-down under Display Resolution. In the next step, you'll see a list of available resolutions supported by your monitor. Following this, click on your preferred resolution from the list. Once done, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you'd like to keep this change. From here, click Keep Changes if the new resolution looks correct. At this stage, if you don't click anything, Windows will automatically revert back to your previous resolution after a few seconds. Keep in mind, higher resolutions make everything appear sharper but smaller, while lower resolutions make items larger but less detailed. Finally, close the settings window once you've confirmed your preferred resolution is applied. And that's it. If this guide helped you change screen resolution in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.